Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to take you through the exciting process of decorating a mid-century modern kitchen. We have a fantastic selection of components to work with, so let's get started. The first step in creating a mid-century modern kitchen is to plan the layout. Ensure there's enough space for all the components we'll be incorporating. The focal point of our design will be the kitchen island, which will serve as the heart of the kitchen. Now, let's install the kitchen cabinets and open shelving. Remember, we want sleek and minimalist designs with flat fronts to achieve that mid-century modern look. The cabinets will provide plenty of storage while the open shelving will display stylish dishes and kitchenware. Our next addition is the breakfast bar. It's an excellent space for casual dining and socializing. Make sure to match its design with the kitchen island for a cohesive look. Lighting plays a significant role in mid-century modern design. Hang some retro-inspired pendant lights above the kitchen island and breakfast bar. These fixtures will add both style and functionality to the space. Moving on, let's introduce the mid-century dining table. It should have tapered legs and simple geometric shapes, adding an authentic touch to our kitchen. For a seamless appearance, we'll integrate the built-in appliances, such as the oven, microwave, and refrigerator. This ensures that they blend in perfectly with the cabinets and countertops. Now, let's add some character with a Mosaic Tile Backsplash. Choose ceramic or glass tiles in geometric patterns, creating a pop of color and texture against the clean lines of the kitchen. The countertops are essential. Let's opt for stainless steel countertops. Not only are they durable and easy to clean, but they also provide a sleek and contemporary appearance. Moving down to the flooring, choose walnut or teak wood flooring. This warm and rich wood will beautifully complement the rest of our mid-century modern design. For seating at the mid-century dining table, consider iconic Eames chairs. These molded plastic or plywood chairs are both comfortable and stylish. Over the cooking area, install a stainless steel range hood. Its minimalist design will tie in with the stainless steel elements throughout the kitchen. Enhance natural light and create a connection to the outdoors with sliding glass doors and skylights. These additions will brighten up the space and offer a sense of openness. To complete the cabinet design, add linear drawer pulls. These simple and sleek handles align with the cabinet's horizontal edges, maintaining mid-century modern aesthetics. Incorporate an atomic-era clock on one of the kitchen walls. This unique and futuristic design piece will add a nostalgic touch to the overall atmosphere. For additional functionality and charm, let's introduce a freestanding bar cart. It's perfect for serving drinks and storing barware in style. Lastly, to ensure comfort during colder months, consider installing radiant floor heating. This modern heating system will keep the kitchen warm without visible radiators. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated mid-century modern kitchen. Remember, combining these carefully chosen components with a keen eye for design will undoubtedly transform your kitchen into a true mid-century masterpiece. Thanks for joining us, and happy decorating!